guys are doing great. In this video, I'm going to try Quilling Typography for the very first time, and I'm going to try it with the very first letter of my name, J. So I hope that you like this video and you stay tuned till the end. And guys, if you like watching this video, so please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so do it right now because that's absolutely free and that would really mean a lot to me. And if you already have, so that's super cool. So without further ado, let's get started.
So I'm not gonna do a voiceover in this video. You have to just do exactly same what I'm doing in the video. So I'm just gonna put some music on and just enjoy.
pretty much it about today's video. Hope you enjoyed watching it and found this video really unique. And one important thing, if you want me to start series on quilling typography that would include A to Z letters of quilling typography, so do let me know in the comment section. So guys, how's the video? And if you know a person whose name starts with J, so must share this video with them. They'll be pretty happy, I'm really sure. And if you had great time watching this video, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you soon in the next video. Until you stay safe, stay home. Bye.